Immersion Gold refers to Electroless Nickel Immersion Gold (ENIG). It is performed on automated lines in PCB Tech factory, which ensures a consistently high-quality coating by precisely maintaining the processing time. Usually, immersion gold is applied after solder mask process. After going through preparation steps, such as cleaning, micro-etching, applying the activator, the panels are dipped into nickel plating beds for about 22 minutes to deposit a nickel layer of 3 to 6 micrometers. Then, after rinsing steps, panels move to another bed for minimum 2 microinches of gold deposition. The thin layer of gold provides excellent flatness and solderability. Immersion gold has a long shelf life. Immersion gold's usage is popular due to its suitability for HDI with fine pitches, BGA and SMT. The drawbacks mainly are not cost-effective and black phosphorus pad issues.